Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a design audit workflow into Lighthouse and PageSpeed Insights easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Lighthouse tool in Chrome DevTools. You can do this by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. In the DevTools panel, click on the Lighthouse tab. Select the categories you wish to audit, such as performance, accessibility, and SEO. Click on the Generate Report button to start the audit. Once the report is generated, review the results for actionable insights. Now, open PageSpeed Insights in a new tab. Enter the URL of the page you want to analyze. Click on the Analyze button to let the tool gather data. Once the analysis is complete, review the performance score and detailed suggestions. Take note of the common issues highlighted by both tools. Create a document to compile your findings from Lighthouse and PageSpeed Insights. Organize the data into sections for better clarity. Include specific recommendations for improvements based on the audits. Prioritize the issues based on their impact on performance and user experience. Consider setting up a task management system to track your progress. Assign tasks to team members where necessary for accountability. Schedule follow-up audits to monitor progress over time. Ensure to maintain documentation for future reference and continuous improvement. With these steps, you will have effectively transferred your design audit workflow into Lighthouse and PageSpeed Insights. This process will help you enhance your website's performance and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.